Hi there, my name is Jordan and I want to give you my honest review of the Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. So this multi-purpose cream, I was introduced by my friend who is a dermatologist. Under my eyes and on my eyelids are really sensitive, and I was just noticing that they were really dry a lot and even getting red sometimes. And so I reached out to her and I was like, what can I use? I have my regular moisturizer that works great, but I need something a little extra for those areas. And this is what she recommended. So what I do is after I put on my lotion for the day, and actually after I put on like my CC cream and things, I actually just put some of this on top of my hand. And you only need like a tiny bit. That's why those bottles that are 1.35 ounces last like almost a year, because I just use it. You only have to use a tiny bit. And I imagine if you were putting it on your whole face, it wouldn't last that long. But what I do is I just kind of dab it under here before I start putting on my makeup, like my concealer and things like that, because I really just want to make sure that I'm treating that extra sensitive skin to this extra moisture. And as you see it, it just kind of blends in, goes in nicely. And then I usually just let it sit, and it feels so nice and refreshing. And again, my skin is super sensitive, and your eyes are like the most sensitive part, and it does not irritate them, which is so nice. And yeah. And so if you are looking for, and like sometimes I put it on the side of my nose, even on my chin, just different areas of your face that are really dry and sensitive, you can add that into your routine. So if you are looking for a multi-purpose cream for sensitive skin that you need some extra hydration, I highly recommend this.